Hey, if the toaster in your kitchen burns your bread or you can never get it quite right, this is going to be the toaster to fix that issue. This is the Teslux. This is a 4-slice toaster. It's got a digital screen on it. It's really cool. I'm loving the ease of use. Now, they did send this to me. Let me give you an up-close show of how it all works. Right, so here's your digital screen. And like I said, everything is by picture. So right here, if you want it lightly toasted, medium, you can just select one of these pictures. If you want it really brown and toasted, you're going to select that. That's for white bread. If you're going to toast a bagel, you would click the bagel. There's a gluten-free option. There's a pastry option here. There's a muffin option and a waffle option. You can defrost in this, you can reheat, and then of course here's your cancel. When all the crumbs gather in the bottom of this toaster, you don't have to turn it over and shake it. All you do is pull this tray out and then just dump the tray, wipe it down, slide the tray back in, and it locks in. We're gonna drop just one piece of bread in here. And what I wanna do is select, we're gonna kind of go in the middle. Right there, we're doing white bread. It's in there, pull this down. It's got a timer, which makes life so easy. So now if I've got to do some other tasks in the kitchen, if I'm cooking other food with this, I know I've got about 2 minutes till that pops up. All right, there we go. We selected right here, you can see. So kind of in the middle. What do you think? Look at how perfectly toasted that is. And I would say it's pretty darn close to what we selected. Maybe this is a hair on the heavy side, like it went a little bit past what we selected. So somewhere in between here. I'm telling you, that's a perfect piece of toast. I would have no problem recommending this to anybody. I think it's great. So pick one up, check it out for yourself. That's my quick review. And thanks for watching.